In this video, I would like to show you how to change the solder mask color of the PCB 3D model in Altium Designer. So this is the 3D model of a PCB board. The solder mask is in blue. Now I want to change the color of the solder mask. Remember, you have to go back to the 3D model. Hit number 3 on the keyboard. You go to View Configuration, choose View Options. So this is the top solder mask and the bottom solder mask color for this board in 3D view. You hit color. Now you can change a different color. Let's change it back to green. Now this 3D model has a green color board. That's it. Thank you.